And what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. My name's Zach Davis. Appreciate you joining me, and just want to say thanks for helping us hit 5,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Going from making videos on a webcam and not really knowing what you're doing about 3 or 4 years ago. I'd have to go back and look. I think it's maybe three and a half, something like that. Really, when I first started making videos, to being able to host a conference and having people from 37 states come, and just the interaction with so many people, getting to work on a few books, getting to speak at some conferences, was never in the mindset when we started out doing this. But I do need to say thanks to a few people. Number one, I need to say thanks to Justin Patterson for all the work that he does. You wouldn't see any of my teachings or YouTube stuff or Sunday school lessons without him. And I'm very appreciative for all the work that he does. You've never seen his face. At some point, me and him are going to do an interview and talk about some practical things. So he'll be on camera a little bit. We had that scheduled and then wound up having to move it. So hopefully we can get that done. Also want to say thanks to Carrie and Addie Thompson for helping with thumbnails. And Carrie does a lot of stuff for me. Addie runs like the notes page. So if you guys are getting any of my notes in that email train, then you're getting that from a 13, 14-year-old kid. And she does all that stuff for me. So without all that, I wouldn't be able to do this because, number one, I don't know how to do some of it. And secondly, I have a lot of other things going on pastorally, and the YouTube stuff kind of comes secondhand. So it's not the main focus. Aside from my family and our church family, it really comes after that. But I do want to say thanks for helping us hit 5,000 subscribers. And here's what I want to do. I want to give away a couple books. The first one is House Divided. And this is David Green and Mike Sullivan are in this. This is the second edition, Bridging the Gap in Reformed Eschatology, a Preterist Response to When Shall These Things Be? And the second book that I want to give away is Glenn Hill's Christianity's Great Dilemma. Is Jesus coming again or is he not? So if you don't have these two, then this might be something you'd be interested in. But here's how you can enter this drawing. Now I'm gonna draw this Wednesday. Okay, this Wednesday I will do the drawing. So we got about 3.5, 4 days to be able to get in this. But here's how you enter the drawing. You leave a comment on this video stating what your favorite video that I have published so far has been. So you're going to leave a comment on this video stating what your favorite video that I've made so far has been. Doesn't matter if it's a sermon, doesn't matter if it's a Sunday school lesson, me just sitting here talking, whatever that is, you leave a comment, and Wednesday I'll put those names in a hat, I'll draw it out, and then I'll put it in the community post about who I need to get in touch with, and I'll give you my email, and you can email me, and I'll get you these books sent out that way as a way of saying thanks for watching the channel, and just really appreciative of what you guys do as far as watching, and I'm really overwhelmed at it. So just want to say thanks, appreciate your prayers and support for our ministry here at First Baptist Church in Mark Tree, and praying that God would use us as we seek to be fruitful for his glory and to bring about a proper understanding of the Bible and what God has said, because God has spoken, and that's important, and we believe that, and we want to properly convey that message and obey that message. So thank you guys. Again, just appreciate all the support. We'll see you soon.